So I'm here to talk to y'all about the tool that's inside this case. So what we have in here is a special made tool from Dyer.
Even though this tool is strangely shaped, it's actually extremely accurate. Check this out. So this is just a small burr of wood. Kind of looks like a hair, but it's able to give a perfect reading of it. Now, Dyer being the best, they had to hook all their tools up with all the bells and whistles. Look at this. When you put the hold position on, you set it in place and it will wait for you to stop moving to give a perfect reading. Once it's done, it lights up green so you can check it.
So you're probably watching this video going, I don't really have a use for a strangely shaped tool like this. Well, the video isn't to highlight this tool in general. It's to highlight the brand Dyer. So Dyer started in the early 1970s with only a handful of products and a very small customer base. So now Dyer offers thousands of unique products and services all across North America. Dyer is an industry leader in the precision measuring instruments. It's worked with all these big name brands, and they've gained the trust of thousands of people because of their 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you're looking for a tool that is designed specifically for your needs, or you're just looking for a Dyer tool in general, you can check out PennToolCo.com.